While you lock your screen, you can't see glance feature on your Realme device. So how to get back the glance feature on your Realme device? So in this video I'm going to tell you. So welcome to another video of Tech. So to get back the glance feature on your Realme device, first you need to unlock your device, unlock it, and then open your Realme device settings application. Now scroll down and click on home screen and lock screen. Scroll down, click on glance for Realme and toggle this on, activate on lock screen, toggle this on. Now go back and click on lock screen shortcuts, and from here select glance for Realme. So now unlock your screen and check glance for Realme feature is there or not. So unlock and then unlock and see, now glance feature is there. Now you see different kinds of wallpaper in your glance. You can swipe left and see many glance stories. So in this way you can enable or fix your problem of glance not showing on lock screen on any Realme phone. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to TechSource.